and welcome back to Diana's Kitchen Fun. Today we are doing another treat or trash. We are trying out the Oster bread maker. Now let's get cooking. To make the bread in this bread making kit, you need to start off with your wet ingredients and then go to your dry, and then last you need to go to your yeast. We're going to start off with the wet ingredients. First, we're going to add 1 3/8 cup of water into your loaf. 1 1/2 tablespoons of olive oil. And that's it for the wet. Now let's go into the dry. To start off, we're going to add 4 cups of bread flour into the same bowl. Next, we're going to add into a tablespoon of sugar and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Now it's time for the yeast. But before we start with the yeast, we got to make a well into our flour and wet ingredients. An important tip with making the well is you don't want to see the wet ingredients. Now we're going to take 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and you're going to pour it into the center. Now we're going to take our ingredient bucket and we're going to place it into the bread machine. I'm going to set my machine now by turning the menu to the French, because we're making French country bread, on the menu select, and the crust color we're going to put to medium. And the loaf size we're going to put to 2 pounds. And now we're going to close our lid and press the start button. Seems easy so far. Now it is kneading the bread. Listen to the sound of it. This takes 3 hours and 35 minutes to fully process. So far, this bread machine has been a treat. I'll see you in 3 hours. Now this is a finished product. It is definitely a treat for me. I hope you enjoyed watching me make country French bread in an Oyster bread machine. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!